Welcome back to Wiring Products. Today we're going to show you our high amperage power switches. This one comes with two keys. When you click it into the on position, the key stays in. When you put it in the off position, you can remove the key. This switch takes up to 180 amp continuous. This is a 2 position, takes 50 amps continuous use. It comes with 2 keys. When you insert your key, turn it, you're in the on position and that key will not come out. Turn it off and you can remove the key. This one is also a 2 position. It takes 180 amp continuous use, and it just has the knob on it. This one is actually our most popular one, and I can see why. You never lose your key. This is the one that we are going to wire up today. You take the hardware off the bottom. You only have one washer on each one on these. And hook it up. You put your lug on first, then you put your washer on, and your nut. Oops, your nut. I highly recommend using some form of semi-Loctite for your bolts. It's just always worked out really well for me. And then I'm going to hook it up to my accessory. And I'm going to hook it up to my power supply. And my ground is already hooked up, the black wire is already hooked up. I'm going to give it juice. And I'm going to bring over my accessory and turn it on. There you go. And that is how we hook up a high amperage power switch. Visit us at wiringproducts.com.